Ticket casting. Oh yeah, you look pretty good. We'll go the other way. We'll do both ways.
What are they meant to feel?
Dizzy. Eye twitches.
Yes. I get sick just watching.
Yep.
Good job. Alright, who's next? You're gonna go on, Maddie? I've done this with you before.
I wonder if it's changed.
Yeah.
Parsing? Or is there just something a bit
It
off?
can be like, you know, like the pathways that go through your brain can be a little bit unintegrated or be going off on a slightly, they can't follow their finger, they lose it, that kind of thing.
Yeah.
This is what.
But you could use it to help with parsing.
Yeah, it integrates the vestibular system and it also helps with audio processing because we've got the audio component.
Alright, so take these
Another. So just please put your glass in here. Please put the glass in. Just take them.
I'm here. I think he's just trying to play with you. I don't think he's trying to hurt you or anything. I know he's probably just trying to play a game.
What is this pen? Smell?
Yep.
My things are blowing everywhere. I should have got some of the kids' names.
What's visual impairment? Like what is it?
Blindness.
Oh yep.
Yeah.
Here.
You guys
Sorry.
are
Hello.
Hello. Where have you just been? Oh, this is fun.
You look like you're having a hard time. You alright? Are you alright? What are you doing? You're so funny. Yeah, you can put on your head. Very nice, Owen. You pair are funny. Okay, I'll hold it.
Oh, have we got a second group coming? Oh, guys, could you just, if you're the next group, you might want to watch it from the start. But you can stay. But have you done all the other stuff?
Hey, Mama, what is it?
Did we have some extras done? Oh no, maybe not.
No, I'm just taking a video of Katie.
Right. You were here anyway. That's fine.
I touched
Wash your hands.
Did you?
Where do I walk?
Just hang on a sec. So I'll start from the beginning. Oh, were you here the whole time?
Yeah.
Oh, you were? Okay. Yes.
I wasn't.
Oh, okay. Well, we might,
He's in outing though.
That's alright. Well, if he's coming and going, just.
that's fine then. Yep, grab a glove, that's fine. Yep, you can grab a glove. Just one glove each, okay?
You're funny.
Sorry, I'm just trying to, so now I'm going to try and actually open it up.
Oh, it looks like chocolate.
Zora's loving it.
Good idea.
Hey, Lucy, can we spot?
Anya. Anya.
So this is
Anya. Are you?
just want to turn it inside out.
Not very nice.
It's impossible.
It's a annoying fly. We've never had this one. And then I'll stick this in there.
I want to watch it, but I don't want to watch it.
Yeah, I know the feeling.
What is it? What is what? What is
Okay.
what? Yes. I want to watch it because I want to watch
Well, you can level up from the first, so don't feel you have to. It's an eyeball. So, sorry, I'm just trying to. Oh,
Good thing she did. This is so good.
yeah, I know.
Well, your sister's loving it. Slow, maybe not yours.
Oh my gosh.
It's just a fly.
Is my dead fly in there?
Not now, not now. I got rid of the dead fly.
That's personally disgusting. It looks like chocolate. This is extremely disgusting. Ew.
So you're probably not thinking about eye surgery over career? Is that right?
Is that somebody's eye?
Maybe you're right.
Cow's eye.